What is it? It's a remote control car, Zach. And look. It's the batteries for your remote control car.
This is a remote control?
No, that's just regular truck. This is
But I want it to be for me.
It is for
It's
you.
all for you.
But where's the remote control button?
It's right here.
Take it apart and find
See,
out.
Zach, if you can do songs, you can kiss it.
Did you kiss it, Zach?
You can do songs, you can reverse and forward and left.
Hey, can I do that? Can I do
Yes, Dad's gonna open it up for you and fix it and get the batteries in there.
that? What is this for?
That's just to play with. That's a cool truck, huh?
Right here.
Oh, does it go backwards? All right.
Backwards and then you first.
Dad, we didn't know it did that.
Felt like it.
Pull it back. There you go.
When I bought this for him, I was looking for windmills, but they didn't have